What are CSS media queries?
CSS media queries are rules that allow websites to change their style depending on the characteristics of a device, such as screen size or orientation. By using media queries, you can write CSS that applies only to certain devices, making your website look good on both desktop and mobile screens. This approach is essential for creating responsive, mobile-friendly websites.
How media queries work.
A media query checks the features of the device displaying your website. For example, it can detect the screen's width or height. You add these queries in your CSS file, wrapping different style rules inside them. When the device matches the conditions you specify, like a screen smaller than 600 pixels, the styles inside the query are applied, customizing the layout automatically.
Writing a simple media query.
To create a basic media query for mobile devices, use this syntax. @media max width 600 px's CSS rules here. This means the styles inside apply only when the screen width is 600 pixels or less. Place mobile-specific layouts and font sizes here to ensure your content fits and is easy to read on smaller screens.
Common uses for mobile friendliness.
With media queries, you can adjust font sizes, rearrange or hide elements, and change navigation menus for easier tapping. Setting flexible images and containers helps content scale without overflowing. Media queries are also useful for switching between single-column and multi-column layouts depending on device size, ensuring your website is always easy to use.
Best practices and tips.
Make your website truly responsive by designing for the smallest screens first, then adding styles for larger devices. Test your site on actual phones and tablets. Use relative units like percentages or ems in your styles for flexibility. Combining clean HTML, flexible layouts, and well-crafted media queries helps your website look great on any device.